feeling a glittery look. I am going to be using my Angel Veil from NYX. I used to use this primer before, just feeling using it today, just enough. So with this look today, I'm going to apply all my face products. I'm going to apply my foundation, my concealer, my contour. I'm going to apply it all in at once and then blend it all in. I'm going to get in my Fenty Beauty foundation. My foundation last. I just put it in the little gaps where there's no concealer and there's no contour. I use a whole lot less product as well. I don't use a lot of foundation when I do it after applying my concealer and my contour. This is also a new concealer I've been using, the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I actually really like it. It's a bit matte, it's a little bit dry, but I like the shade of it and I love the wand. Okay guys, so I'm going to actually use my Fit Me pressed powder from Maybelline. I'm going to put that over my face before I actually add my Hoola bronzer and my lace baking powder. Okay, so I'm going to add some Sacha Buttercup. Then I'm going to go right over that with a bit of my lace setting powder. This is the really light powder, so I like to add that on top of my Sacha Buttercup. Fixing gel to keep it in place the entire day. Okay guys, so I am going to prime my eyelids and I am using my PLouise base in Rumour 03. Oh yeah, so while I'm doing this as well, I'm also going to neaten up my brows. You guys know the drillio. This is what I normally always do to kill two birds with one stone. I just use the PLouise base to tidy up my brows at the same time. So I'm literally going to go over my lid with my pressed powder, my Fit Me pressed powder, just to seal in that PLouise base. We're going to move on to my NYX liquid eyeliner and I'm going to do a wing. So I'm going to go in with my Duo Lash Glue and I'm going to apply it on top of my liquid liner, or I add my Helen glitter. So I'm going to add this on first, let that dry down for a little bit, and then I'm going to add on my glitter. So I'm going to grab my flat brush and I'm going to just apply this glitter on top of the glue that I just added. I'm going to get my sleek gel pencil and I'm just going to go right under the waterline. I'm not going to go in the waterline, I'm just going to go right here in the outskirts. Bring it to about halfway, then I'm going to just blend that out. And I think when you do it like on the outer skirts and don't bring it in too far to the inner corners, it opens up your eyes a lot. Just got into my gel pot and I've just got this little handy dandy little brush and I'm just going to dragging out that black really to get that feline shape. So I'm going into my Milk Jumbo pencil and I'm just going to add this right in my waterline. A white liner does, it opens up your eyes and make your eyes bigger than they are, which is what I've done. I'm going to put on my mascara. Okay guys, so I'm going to just set my face, I'm going to add blush and I'm going to add highlighter and we are done. I'm going to use my Pinch O Peach blusher from MAC. I'm going to go in with my highlighter, which is the highlighter in colour Champagne, and this is from LA Girl. This is a cream highlighter, so you've got to move quite fast with it so it doesn't stay in one place, and I just suggest using your fingers as well. Fingers is good to distribute it with. I'm going to finish off by doing my lip. I think I'm going to go for a baby pinkish lip today, but I'm still going to use a brown lip liner and I'll just blend it out. I'm going to go in with my Revolution lipstick, which is called Ballerina. It's like a dusty pink. Top. Okay dolls, I'm going to get dressed and I will be back. If you guys love how this look turned out, then give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will catch you dolls in my next post.